Hey guys, I'm making another video today. So pendulums is what I got. It's right here. So it's the complete divination kit. Comes with a guidebook. See, this is a booklet. It's a guidebook. 128 pages. It tells you how to handle the pendulums. Or not pendulums, the pendulum. These are the cards. So I'm going to open this up. These are different charts. It's supposed to be a total of 8 different charts. And this right here is the pendulum itself. See that? So I'm going to be using that as well as the, it's something like an oracle. Let's see if I can open this and show you what the different cards look like. Alright, so I got it open. I had to use my teeth. Alright, so this is what they look like. Okay. So chart 1, chart 2, chart 3. Here's chart 4, chart 5, chart 6, chart 7, and chart 8. So that's that whole kit. The Pendulum Kit, complete divination kit is what they call it. So they call it pendulums, but there's only one pendulum in there, so I'll use it someday. And then I'll tell you how it went. Maybe I'll tell you how it went, maybe I'll just keep it a secret, but yeah. Stay tuned for more stuff. If you like these kinds of videos, if you like the witchcraft videos, please like, share, and subscribe.